We will learn tenses.
Today we learn present indefinite tense.
And learn to all forms first. Is assertive second negative third interrogative?
She sings beautifully.
She does not sing beautifully.
Does she sing beautifully?
They play football every Saturday.
They do not play football every Saturday.
Do they play football every Saturday?
He reads books in the library.
He does not read books in the library.
He does not read books in the library.
The sun rises in the east.
The sun does not rise in the east.
Does the sun rise in the east?
We eat breakfast together every morning.
We do not eat breakfast together every morning.
Do we eat breakfast together every morning?
She dances gracefully.
She does not dance gracefully.
Does she dance gracefully?
He speaks Spanish fluently.
He does not speak Spanish fluently.
Does he speak Spanish fluently?
They watch movies on weekends.
They do not watch movies on weekends.
Do they watch movies on weekends?
The birds chirp in the morning.
The birds do not chirp in the evening.
Do the birds chirp in the evening?
She swims in the pool every evening.
She does not swim in the pool every evening.
Does she swim in the pool every evening?
We study together in the library.
We do not study together in the library.
Do we study together in the library?
He writes poems in his free time.
He does not write poems in his free time.
Does he write poems in his free time?
Okay, enough of today's class. Please join our channel and watch more videos and speak English fluently.